Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw USDT from Kraken to Binance in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, knowing how to move your assets securely is more important than ever. Whether you're trading, investing, or just shuffling funds, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Kraken and Binance set up and verified. Security is key, so enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Funding section. It's usually in the top menu. Here, you'll see a list of your assets, including USDT. Next, select USDT from your wallet and click on the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to choose a withdrawal network. In 2025, options like Tron, TRC20, or Ethereum, ERC20, might be popular, but always pick the one that matches your Binance deposit settings to avoid any issues. Mismatched networks can lead to lost funds. Now, enter your Binance wallet address for USDT. Double-check this address. It's a simple step that can save you a ton of headache. You can find your Binance deposit address by logging into Binance, going to Wallets, selecting USDT, and copying the address from the deposit page. After that, enter the amount you want to withdraw, keeping an eye on any fees. Kraken might charge a small network fee, so make sure it's worth it. Review all the details, then hit Confirm, and complete any additional security steps, like 2FA. Once submitted, the transaction will process on the blockchain. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. Keep an eye on your email or Kraken's transaction history for updates. Finally, hop over to Binance and check your wallet. Your USDT should appear soon after. And just like that, you've successfully withdrawn from Kraken to Binance. Remember, crypto can be volatile, so always stay cautious. If you're new to this, start with a small amount. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.